Do you know what makes a person truly successful? It is not just talent, but hard work, focus, and the strength to never give up. This is the story of Ravichandra Ashwin, one of India's greatest cricketers, who proved that no dream is too big if you believe in yourself. Ashwin was born in a simple family in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Like most kids in India, he loved cricket, but what made him different was his ability to stay focused on his dreams even when life threw challenges at him. Ashwin did not start as a bowler. He wanted to be a batsman, but life had other plans for him. He faced tough competition, injuries, and criticism throughout his career. Yet, he never let any of these problems stop him. Today, he is one of the finest bowlers in the world, known for his sharp thinking and amazing skills. In this video, we will take you through Ashwin's inspiring journey, from his childhood dreams to becoming a cricket legend. Every part of his story teaches us the power of hard work and determination. This is not just a story about cricket, it is a story about life and how to never give up. So, let's dive into the extraordinary life of Ravichandra Ashwin. Ravichandra Ashwin was born on September 17, 1986 in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. His father Ravichandra was a club level cricketer. Because of this, cricket was always a part of Ashwin's life. As a child, Ashwin was very curious and energetic. He loved playing cricket with his friends in the streets of Chennai. At first, Ashwin wanted to become a batsman. He dreamed of opening the innings for India one day. But when Ashwin joined his school's cricket team, his coach noticed something special about him. Ashwin had a natural talent for spin bowling. The coach encouraged him to focus on bowling instead of batting. Ashwin trusted his coach and started practicing spin bowling seriously. Ashwin's journey was not easy. At the age of 14, he suffered a serious hip injury while playing cricket. This injury kept him away from the game for many months. For a young boy who loved cricket, this was a heartbreaking time. But Ashwin didn't lose hope. Even though he could not play, he spent time learning about cricket. He watched the matches and studied how great bowlers like Anil Kumble and Muttiah Muralitharan bowled. He promised himself that he would come back stronger. When Ashwin recovered, he started working harder than ever. His injury taught him the value of patience and hard work. After recovering from his injury, Ashwin started playing domestic cricket for Tamil Nadu. He played in the Ranji Trophy, India's most prestigious domestic cricket tournament. In domestic cricket, Ashwin's performances were brilliant. He was known for his unique bowling style and his ability to confuse batsmen with his variations. One of his most famous deliveries was the carom ball, a delivery that spins sharply and surprises the batsman. Ashwin's success in domestic cricket brought him into the spotlight. Soon, he was selected to play in the Indian Premier League (IPL). Ashwin got the opportunity to play for Chennai Super Kings (CSK) in the IPL. This was a big step in his career because the IPL is watched by millions of cricket fans worldwide. Under the captaincy of MS Dhoni, Ashwin became one of the key bowlers for CSK. He performed brilliantly in the IPL, taking important wickets and helping his team win matches. In 2010, Ashwin helped CSK win their first IPL trophy. This performance made him popular and he became one of the most talked about bowlers in India. His success in the IPL opened the door for him to play for the Indian cricket team. Ashwin made his debut for India in 2010 in an ODI match. Playing for the national team was a dream come true for him. But playing for India was not easy. The competition in the Indian team was tough. and Ashwin had to prove himself. However, he worked hard and gave his best in every match. The 2011 ICC Cricket World Cup was a special moment in Ashwin's career. Though he did not play all the matches, he performed well whenever he got the chance. In the quarter-final against Australia, Ashwin bowled brilliantly and helped India win the match. This gave him a lot of confidence. India went on to win the World Cup and Ashwin became a part of the champion team. After the World Cup, Ashwin focused more on Test cricket. He became India's leading spinner in Test matches. His ability to take wickets consistently made him one of the best bowlers in the world. Ashwin was especially brilliant in home matches, where the pitch supported spin bowling. He broke many records and became the fastest India bowler to take 50, 100 and 200 wickets in Test matches. But like every cricketer, Ashwin also faced criticism. Many people said that he was not as good in overseas matches as he was in India. But Ashwin didn't let this criticism affect him. He worked harder and improved his skills. Over time, he became a better bowler even on difficult pitches in countries like Australia and England. Ashwin's achievements and records. 1. Ashwin is the fastest bowler in the world to take 300 Test wickets. 2. He has scored 5 centuries in Test matches, showing his skills as an all-rounder. 3. He has won the ICC Cricketer of the Year award twice in 2016 and 2017. 4. He has been a key player in many of India's historic wins. Ashwin is also a very smart and knowledgeable person. He loves learning and sharing his knowledge about cricket. He even has a YouTube channel where he talks about cricket strategies and life lessons. Ashwin is a family man. He is married to Prithin Rai, his childhood friend, and they have 2 daughters. His family is his biggest source of strength. Ravichandran Ashwin's story is not just about cricket. It's a story of dreams, struggles, and success. He has shown us that no matter how many challenges life throws at us, we can overcome them with hard work and determination. In December 2024, Ravichandran Ashwin announced his retirement from international cricket. It was an emotional moment for his fans and the cricket world. After playing 106 Test matches and taking 537 wickets, Ashwin left behind a legacy that will inspire generations. But even after retirement, Ashwin continues to stay connected with cricket. He shares his knowledge through interviews, discussions, and his YouTube channel. He remains a mentor and a guiding light for young cricketers. From being a young boy in Chennai to becoming one of the greatest bowlers in the world, Ashwin's journey is truly inspiring. His life teaches us that failures are not the end, they are just steps towards success. So, whenever you feel like giving up, think about how he turned every challenge into an opportunity. If he can do it, you can too. And friends, if you want to hear more inspiring stories like this and improve your English, make sure to subscribe to our channel Fluent Legends. Thank you for watching.